Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Tressa Vasquez, but you can call me Dr. T, and I wanted to show you really quickly how you could use Loom easily to create screen recordings so you can talk with us and let us know how we can serve you or help you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to loom.com and then you want to get Loom for free. Okay, you'll sign up for an account if you have a Google account, which we highly recommend. If you are a Rept Community Rep Lab member, we will actually put that as one of your Rept prep items because you must have a Google account. So you may as well go ahead and sign up with that Google account. I'm going to go ahead and actually log in because I already have one. Okay, now that I'm signed in, it's going to ask me to upgrade and to do all these other things. That's completely unnecessary for what we're trying to do. In a free account, you can get a Loom video or record a Loom video up to 5 minutes. So what we're going to do, if you see a modal that looks like that, you're just going to close it. You'll notice down here at the bottom left of your screen, there is a button that says record a video. So I'm going to click on that. And when I click record a video, you'll notice that my image pops up here, but you'll see that there are some instructions here that I can use in order to record my video. So I can tell it I want a window, I want the full screen, I want to record the current tab, or I only want to record the camera. Now, don't worry about any of these. I would just leave it as the default window, but if you wanted to share your entire screen, you could do that as well. You can also turn your camera off, and then you'll notice that it'll use the icon associated with your profile. And then it's very simple. You just press start recording. Once you start recording, it will ask you which window you want to use, if you want to do an entire screen or a Chrome tab. I am going to go to a window. Actually, you know what? I'll stay on this window. I'll stay on the Loom window. You click it and then you do share. And then the countdown will start. And as the countdown starts, then you can start to record. At this moment, it is showing us down here the time that we have been recording. So it's counting down. You can pause, you can rewind to start over, you can restart. You can even throw this away and start all over again. Okay, so you have various options. You can move your head around, look here, you can click here, you can click here, you can click here, right? So you're showing the community what you're seeing so that they can support you efficiently and effectively. And once you're done, you will click the red box. Now, once your Loom is completed, it will go through and it will use AI in order to come up with a title, and then it'll do some sort of summary here. In order to share it, you can click this share button in the top right, and then it'll ask you what people do you want to share with. Down here in the bottom of the modal, you can select anyone with the link can view. Okay, that's what you want to do, and then you'll click copy link, and when you copy the link, you will put it directly into the form, and you will see that anyone who clicks on that link will be able to see your Loom. It's really that simple.